guys, welcome to my channel. So it's me the Pashri, and today I've created this very glowy, peachy kind of everyday kind of look for you. So I hope you like the video. So let's get started. So as you can see my face, it's bare and you can see all my marks and hyperpigmentation and acne marks. So starting off with skin care, I'm gonna spray my face with this Khadi Neem Tulsi Herbal Facial Mist, and then following up with the moisturizer from Biotique. It's a Bio Coconut Whitening and Brightening Cream. Skincare is most important part of doing your makeup because it gives you like the flawless finish. So right after that I'm gonna follow it up with a primer. So here I'm using a Wet n Wild face primer in matte. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and apply it all over my face. So after that I'm using this lip oil which I got from Thailand, and I'll be applying it on my lips to moisturize, and then following up with a concealer. So just to cover up my pigmentation, I'm using the Krylon stick, which is one of the best concealer slash foundation stick I have ever used. So I'm only going to apply it in the areas and on the marks where I require it, and then I'll be just blending it in with a beauty blender. So for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 128, that is warm nude. So I'm just going to take one pump and try to cover up my entire face with it. And this is a really good foundation. It's a full coverage and it's a buildable foundation. So I'm just using like one pump, and I'm also going to cover up my eyelids with it. Like I'm not going to use like a separate base because I don't have so much problems with dark circles or dark eyelids, as you can see. So I'm just going to blend in the foundation into my skin for that flawless finish. And right after using my beauty blender, I'm also going to follow up with a beauty brush and just blend in the foundation. Next I'm going to do my eyebrows. For that I'm using a pencil. It's from Wet n Wild. It's the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil in dark brown. So I'm just going to use that and fill in my eyebrows and brush it through. So next I'm using a kajal eye pencil from Rimmel. I'm just going to line my waterline really quick. So for the eyeshadow part, I'm using the Wet n Wild mini eyeshadow palette in the My Glamour Scott. This is my favorite palette. So here I'm using the transition shade for my lid. I'm just using the beige nude sort of a transition color, and then I'm going to use the orange shade from the palette and apply it into the socket area and blending it well. So next I'm going to use a dark transition shade, that's like a dark brown shade, and apply it right above the where you apply your eyeliner, and just blending it in to give that kind of smoked out kind of look, but very subtle. So I'm just gonna blend that well, and that's all for my eyeshadow part. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I use it like all the time. It really gives me like this falsy kind of eyelash effect, which I really love. You can already see the difference between both my eyes. Like the right side eyelashes look so much fuller and bigger. So, yep. Now, the main part of the look is the blush and the lips. So, for that, I'm using this Soho Nude, the shade Soho Nude from Maybelline. So, this is a very peachy, orangey kind of color. So, it's very matte and creamy. The formula is really good. So, I'm going to use this all over my cheeks, as in blush, and my nose and my chin, and just blending it in with a brush. You can also use a beauty blender to blend it in. So yes, so this really stays on for a long time, and it really looks very healthy and dewy sort of. I really love this. Next, I'm also going to finish up the look with the same lipstick as my lip color. So you can leave the look like this if you like the dewy finish, but then I'm going to add in a little bit of compact powder to finish it up because I'm into the oily skin type. So if you're an oily skin type, then you know we require a compact powder at all times. And that's it. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the end. And I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down below whatever suggestions you have for me. And see you next time.